So just things to keep in mind is just try and work with what you have. And then like you want to get all your ideas and sounds out at the start and then kind of dissect it from there and add bits like from what you have. You don't want to start. I try and not add too much while I've got the groove, because once you've got a pretty, you know, like like solid groove, you can just like build from that, process. You have everything you need there. So I think now what I'm going to do to work on the outro, I'm going to put maybe another little break in there, and just develop the outro, and then the final part will just be me kind of touching up, EQing. But as you've noticed, I do a lot of processing, EQing while producing the track. I don't wait till the end because I want it to be as clean as possible while I'm adding sounds in, because I don't want it to be too muddy and not clean while I'm, obviously producing the track.